Hi, I'm Mitch, graduate agronomist here at Perfection 2 Wells, where we grow tomatoes and cucumbers in glasshouses. Welcome to the office. So in total it's 43 hectares under glass here, and we're growing with precision all year round. So I studied a Bachelor of Agriculture Science, majoring in plant and soil science. I found the agronomist graduate program here to be really beneficial in reinforcing everything I learned and putting it into practice in a controlled plant environment. So also during the agronomist program, I've spent some time with HR, finance, safety, packhouse distribution and sales. And this has given me a really good overview of the operations here. So I think the graduate agronomist program with Perfection is a great way to start your career, develop skills, reinforce what you learn at university and apply it, develop professionally and work out where you might like to specialise in your career. So I encourage you to apply, and good luck.